art snacks time. Now I just have to find something to open this box with. There we go. I've canceled my subscription, but I can't remember if February or January is my last one. So this could be my last art snacks video, unless they start sending it to me for free. Ha ha ha. I'm just kidding. But let's see. I'm so happy. Carbon black and ultramarine blue. And these are fluid acrylics. Cool, cool. What do we got here? Oh, we'll just pull out the snack. Lifesaver. Not me. Oh, this is about a paintbrush. Okay. Oh, little mini Stonehenge aqua cold pressed. Cold pressed means it has lots of texture. And they're ATC size. That's fun. Okay. Got the card out. Got my, what I'm assuming there's a paintbrush in there. And my pretzel. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. So the Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press Mini Paper Pad. It just says bonus item. Doesn't tell me how much. I don't know how much they run for. I don't think I've used Stonehenge. Be excited to try that for a little watercolor, because that's what that is. Okay. Golden Fluid Acrylics. Yeah, these are $6 to $7 a piece. So that's why I was a little excited. I don't own much of the golden because it's kind of pricey. So, high intense permanent acrylic color, golden fluid acrylics. That's so cool. Okay. Now let's open this up. Let's see what we got. I can read. Sorry. I'm peeking ahead of time. Okay. So this is this paintbrush, original gold acrylic, gold detail. Yeah, I don't think I could write like that. Okay. Retails $8.99. King Art designs their brushes with the artist in mind. And yeah. So that's a nice paintbrush. I think I can treat that one nicely. We'll see. And then this is Stabilo Sensor Black Fine Liner F-Tip. What does that even mean? Does F mean fine? Sensor technology. Okay, we got to read more on this. Okay, it says it's $2 for this fine liner. Whether you're sketching or writing, you'll reach for the Stabilo Sensor fine liner again and again. Designing the perfect all-around fine liner, this pen features a 0.3mm tip that can withstand high drawing pressure. The felt tip retracts into the metal casing so no breaking or bending occurs. Well, that's good for me because I tend to push a little too hard. You'll only experience a smooth, consistent performance with this pen. No, I don't want to use that. I want to use one of my little paper samplers. Feels nice. It looks a little gray. Does it look gray? Does it look gray to you? Not quite black? Should we compare? What have I got? I want a fine liner. That one. Okay, I've got something here. This is just Precise V5. So it's, what? Just says extra fine, so I don't know how fine it is. Does that look darker? Maybe it's the fact that it's like really late at night and I should be in bed and not playing around with my art supplies, but I forgot this came today. And I'm like, I cannot wait. I don't know what you heard before my camera so rudely died on me right there. But I was saying I didn't want to go to bed before finding out what was in the box. So the blacks look about the same. So it's just my imagination, tired eyes, something, I don't know. Okay. So should we try some of these? Oh, you know I paint. I have lots of paint, right? This is my total quantity of golden. Yep. That's it. I don't know. There, now you can see it. I don't know why I had to show you, but it was sitting here, so, you know. I'm weird. What can I say? Okay. Go. That's odd. I don't want to stick my pencil in it. I don't want it to spurt out either. Too late. It's spurting. Is that a layer of paint? Or is that plastic? I don't even know. Well, hopefully it's still fluid in there. Let's shake it. Oh yeah, I hear it. Okay. See how strong the color is? Oh. Okay, what are we gonna draw? Something to show the quality of this brush? Okay, maybe not with my skills. That's just weird. Even though it's fluid, I still feel like I want to put a little water in there. There, a little heart. And some more dots. Alright. Do you want to see the carbon black, or do you know what black looks like? Now see, that one is, I don't know, it's semi-transparent. You can see the lines through there. This one is definitely opaque. Oh, so with golden, that's actual paint on the surface of your label, in case you were wondering. I think that's plastic. I still don't know for sure. Okay. I didn't need that much of that either. Okay. So here's what my paintbrush, well, that one's not bad, but this is how I treat them. Poor paintbrushes. Anyway, alright, so we have a black pen, black paint, blue paint, and a paintbrush. So I will think about what I'm going to create with that. And I may or may not use an ATC size card. And we'll see what I come up with. Okay, so I'm going to use one of the pieces of Stonehenge watercolor and use this mask. It was much bigger, but it had a bunch of extra words that I didn't relate. So we're just going to make a little ATC, just plop some paint on there and see what we come up with. I wanted that to look a little smoother, so I'm adding a little water, painting it with the paintbrush, just to kind of help that out a little bit. And there's our All That Awesome. So I didn't test the Stabilo pen, so I thought I would test it to see if it was water fast. I'm checking the ones that were done the day before, and they don't blend, so it does when wet. How's that? And I just thought I'd go around and straighten up some of the lines. And I'm just doing a quick little simple one so they don't really look all that straight. I felt like I needed to do more, so I am just running lines across the bottom. I'm starting with them close together and then far apart, and then we're just going to add a little water to it and create a little shading. So it'll go from kind of dark to lighter. Leave the top of that all white, and there we have it. What do you think? Well, I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.